So hi, I'm Renaud Vidal, Dissemination Manager for InfraStress, a European research project on critical infrastructure protection. And through these short videos, we wish to regularly update our followers on the life of the project. Today, Mr. Rui Pestana joins us. He works for Rede Eléctrica Nacional in Portugal, and he's an InfraStress Advisory Board member. So, Mr. Pestana, could you please briefly introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Rui Pestana. I'm a senior advisor at the system operation at RAN, the Rede Eléctrica Nacional, which is the Portuguese TSO, the transmission system operator. I'm also an invited professor at the Polytechnic Institute of Lisbon. My expertise is in power systems, and I have been involved in critical infrastructure risk assessment for the electrical sector, with participation in cyber exercises like Cyber Europe and cyber pursuits by the Portuguese Army. I was also an advisory board of H2020 Defender project.
So my first question would be, in your view, what are today's most important challenges for critical infrastructure protection?
Well, by going the digitalization area with less analog equipment, the cybersecurity risk is increased. And the old security paradigm of physical security is more also in risk due to the IT security breach and possible drone attacks. The extreme weather events are more often and they have a bigger impact in critical infrastructure. By going to full electrification, a low event probability like a blackout in Europe may cause a very huge impact. And besides all the technological advances, the human factor remains the difficult risk to mitigate, since it's the personal motivation that drives them to jeopardize the critical infrastructure. Okay.
How does the InfraStress project address these challenges, and what are its main interesting and exciting aspects to you?
Well, the demo case of the InfraStress project presents several innovative solutions, okay, like the image processing to detect human presence in the protected area of the critical infrastructure. And in addition, the drone detection and mitigation is very interesting. New sensors can bring also more awareness of any intrusion to the critical infrastructure.
Okay, and what are the project's most promising impacts, and also what kind of continuation would you like to see in the future once the project is over?
Well, the better awareness of vulnerabilities of critical infrastructure by identifying complex attack scenarios, and the fast detection of physical and cyber intrusions to mitigate the damage to the critical infrastructure and its impact on society. The 5 pilot demos validated the innovative tool developed by the projects, and I would like to see a follow-up with the InfraStress project, with some of the prototypes developed by the consortium to become market available.
Okay, Mr. Pestana, thank you very much for your time.